120 inch sink. First off, the overall dimensions. From left to right, we have a length of 120 inches, a depth of 30 inches, and a height of 43 inches. 3 tubs with each one measuring 24 inches in length, 24 inches in depth, by 12 inches in height. Measurements apply for each of the 3 tubs. Left and right drain boards, each one measuring 22 inches in length by 26 inches in depth. Faucet mounts located on the left and right, and the distance for each mount we have 9 inches. Coming to the far left corner is the NSF certification sticker. Included for each of the tubs are the drain baskets. Or visit our website coolerdepotUSA.com for more information on this product.